Just fed up with the noises coming from outside. That train and some work is going on. I'm sure many of us has a shy nature, or at least at some point of time in our life, we face the challenge of communicating with others, whether it is a school, college, any professional setting, or any social gathering. Hi there, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just love understanding and talking about human behavior, human psychology, books, novels. So if in case you are interested in such kind of content, do consider subscribing to my channel, hit that like button and share your feedback and comments right below. In this video, I am going to tell you 3 tips how to overcome your shyness. So before moving ahead, let us understand the reasons that why do we feel shy. It is totally okay and natural to feel shy at some point in our life. So in this video, I am going to discuss 3 tips how to overcome your shyness. So before moving ahead in this video, we will first of all try to understand that why do we feel shy. It is totally natural and okay to feel shy, but what can be the reasons that promote shyness in our behavior? So first can be social and family aspects. We were taught not to be bold or extrovert while we are talking, and we were taught to be more conservative while dealing with others. So this is kind of a practice that we did for many years, and now it became our behavior. Let's discuss about the tips to overcome your shyness and awkwardness. Here is the first tip: focus away from yourself. Aren't you constantly thinking about your makeup, your looks, your dressing style, how you're looking, what others are thinking about you? So you don't need to do all these things. You need to remember that we all have flaws and nobody is perfect in this world. So you do not need to think constantly about your appearances or the way you talk, the way you sit, the way you stand. These things are not going to help you in any way. Rather think about others, what is going on in your surrounding. This tip is the first and foremost important and definitely going to help you in removing your awkwardness. Second, don't think anything negative about yourself. Just remember that it is okay to be the way you are. You are unique and you possess your skills and you have to love yourself. Third, just get involved in a conversation. Don't just answer in a word. For example, if somebody is asking you that how was your lunch, so you just don't tell them that it was good or okay. Just start your conversation, ask about their experience, have a story, share your experience with them. It will definitely help you to build good relationship with them. Listen to others. Now frankly speaking, I've seen so many people like this who are never ever involved in your conversation. They just want to finish what you are saying and they just want to speak their side of story. So never ever do that, because whenever you are neglecting others, it does not leave a good impact, and they just love it that you really care about them. So these are the tips from my side. This is something that I have experienced. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and definitely share your feedback and your thoughts about it. Thanks for watching.